I am sick and tired of my toothbrush dying in the middle of me brushing my teeth, and I'm ready to do something about it. My toothbrush has served me well over the past year and a half, but as all electronic items do, eventually their battery life decays. As you can probably guess, a rechargeable battery such as this one is really not designed to be replaceable, much less interchangeable. Don't get me wrong, I really do vibe with electric toothbrushes. It's just when there's a small rechargeable battery like this, it creates a lot of e-waste, and I know most people aren't disassembling these things to recycle the batteries. It's mostly going to end up as spicy trash in a landfill somewhere. I'm sure I could source a replacement, but I'd face the same issue later on down the line that comes with these small rechargeable batteries. But I do have a few of these, and that's where this comes in. You can get these on eBay. I got a 2-pack for like $12. Inside each box, you get one connector that allows you to tap into the battery, as well as one of these super handy dandy lever connectors. Next, I purchased what's called a step-down or buck converter, which lets you take the voltage down from 18 volts to whatever you really like. You can actually find smaller buck converters than this, but I opted for this specific one because it has a potentiometer, which in this case allows us to vary the output voltage live and on the go. Now, my toothbrush will almost never run out of juice, and when it does, I don't have to wait an eternity for my toothbrush to charge. Safety first. All right, let's give it a shot. Nothing. Let's try turning up the voltage a bit. Maybe that'll help. We are now at the original battery voltage that we tested from fully functioning toothbrush. 3, 2, 1. Maybe we need more volts. 6 volts. 10 volts. Nothing. I guess let's max this thing out. Alrighty, this is the full voltage. 3, 2, 1. For whatever reason, my iPhone of toothbrushes didn't quite work out. So now I'm out of a toothbrush and we're gonna need to get a little bit more creative. All right, it's back to the drawing board. Always gotta unplug. No electrocution for me. Conveniently, about a week ago, my fan exploded in the middle of the night. See, it did explode. Here's one of the blades. There we go. Ta-da! It still works fine if we define fine as meaning it vibrates and makes a lot of noise and doesn't move as much air as it once did. But I think there's a way we can make lemonade out of this. The electronics came out of the incident pretty much unscathed, so I'm thinking if we can find a way to make this balanced fan motor into something a little bit more imbalanced, we should be able to create the vibrations necessary for a good teeth cleaning. Obviously, we're going to need some kind of weight and some way to fix the weight offset from the rotational axis of the motor. Ta-da! It was a rocky road, but we endured, and here we have it. At the heart of this revolutionary toothbrush is my bespoke counterweight system. A big shout out to Taekyum Lee on Printables, which is where I got this hand from. And since I expect this toothbrush to last the rest of my life, it was important that I incorporate some way to replace the brush heads. So I've developed a bespoke quick swapping system. And lastly, because this toothbrush is going to be putting out some serious cavity fighting power, I added a ergonomic grip on the end to help you really control the vibrations. So without further ado, let's give this thing a shot. Go ahead and plug it in. I'm so scared. With my track record, it's possible that we'll only get one shot at this, and I want to make it count. So I'm going to go ahead and toothpaste up. Remember kids, oral hygiene is moral hygiene. Well, okay, the weight may have been too much. That's what I'm talking about. That's really working well. Definitely a lot stronger than everything. I don't think there's anything to call this besides a smashing success. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.